Question 1. What type of database is DynamoDB? The correct answer is B, NoSQL. Question 2. What are the two types of primary keys in DynamoDB? The correct answer is B, partition and sort. Question 3. What is the maximum item size in DynamoDB? The correct answer is B, 400 kilobytes. Question 4. Which consistency model is the default for DynamoDB reads? The correct answer is B, eventual consistency. Question 5. What is a partition key also known as? The correct answer is B, hash key. Question 6. How many global secondary indexes can a table have? The correct answer is C, 20. Question 7. How many local secondary indexes can a table have? The correct answer is A, 5. Question 8. What is DynamoDB Streams retention period? The correct answer is B, 24 hours. Question 9. Which capacity mode offers pay per request pricing? The correct answer is B, on demand. Question 10. What is the purpose of DynamoDB Accelerator, DAX? The correct answer is B, caching. Question 11. What is the maximum size of a partition key value? The correct answer is B, 2 kilobytes. Question 12. Which API call retrieves a single item? The correct answer is C, getItem. Question 13. What is the purpose of a sort key? The correct answer is B, order items within partition. Question 14. Which operation reads multiple items efficiently? The correct answer is B, batch get item. Question 15. What is the maximum number of items in batch write item? The correct answer is B, 25. Question 16. Which feature provides point-in-time recovery? The correct answer is B, picture. Question 17. What is the difference between query and scan? The correct answer is B, query uses key, scan reads all. Question 18. Which encryption is enabled by default? The correct answer is B, at rest. Question 19. What is a global secondary index? The correct answer is B, index with different keys. Question 20. What is the maximum request size for batch write item? The correct answer is C, 16 megabytes. Question 21. Which feature enables cross-region replication? The correct answer is B, global tables. Question 22. What is a composite primary key? The correct answer is B, partition plus sort key. Question 23. Which operation is most expensive? The correct answer is C, scan. Question 24. What is the purpose of projection expression? The correct answer is B, specify attributes to return. Question 25. How many write capacity units for 1 kilobyte item? The correct answer is B, 1. Question 26. How many read capacity units for 4 kilobytes strongly consistent read? The correct answer is B, 1. Question 27. What is conditional write? The correct answer is B, write only if condition met. Question 28. Which feature provides ACID transactions? The correct answer is B, DynamoDB transactions. Question 29. What is the maximum transaction size? The correct answer is C, 100 items. Question 30. Which attribute type stores binary data?
The correct answer is C, B.
Question 31. What is time to live, TTL? The correct answer is B, auto-delete expired items. Question 32. Which consistency option uses half RCU? The correct answer is B, eventual. Question 33. What is the purpose of filter expression? The correct answer is B, filter results after read. Question 34. Which feature enables change data capture? The correct answer is B, DynamoDB Streams. Question 35. What is the maximum number of attributes per item? The correct answer is D, unlimited. Question 36. Which operation updates existing item or creates new? The correct answer is B, put item. Question 37. What is sparse index? The correct answer is B, index with subset of items. Question 38. Which pricing model has no minimum capacity? The correct answer is B, on demand. Question 39. What is the purpose of condition expression? The correct answer is B, conditional writes. Question 40. Which feature provides in-memory caching? The correct answer is B, DAX. Question 41. What is the maximum query result size before pagination? The correct answer is B, 1 megabyte. Question 42. Which operation deletes multiple items? The correct answer is C, batch write item. Question 43. What is optimistic locking? The correct answer is B, version-based concurrency. Question 44. Which stream view type includes old and new images? The correct answer is D, new underscore and underscore old underscore images. Question 45. What is the purpose of expression attribute names? The correct answer is B, handle reserved words. Question 46. Which backup type is continuous? The correct answer is B, point-in-time recovery. Question 47. What is the maximum GSI per table in on-demand mode? The correct answer is D, same as provisioned. Question 48. Which operation is atomic? The correct answer is C, put item. Question 49. What is the purpose of PartyQL? The correct answer is B, SQL-like query language. Question 50. Which feature provides multi-region active-active? The correct answer is B, global tables. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.